Okay, we're...
Now, can you practice blowing? Go.
You're gonna have to blow out all these candles.
That's good. Okay, keep practicing, okay?
You think you can do it?
Yeah, a little hard, Dylan. Dylan.
Do we gotta everybody? Where's Ella?
Right here. Practice.
Oh my gosh, that does not seem
You gotta blow all these out.
You think you can do it?
Maybe
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dylan. Happy birthday to you. Good job. The cake's falling apart. Good. Yeah.
He started clapping for himself. He's like, oh no, it's my birthday. I have to clap. He's like, Dylan, you get
Birthday, you can clap. Good job.
the birthday man of honor. What ice cream do you want?
Yeah.
Blue! Apple.
Yeah. You could have said the other one.